Oh, here comes Jeremy on the 200. Here comes Josh. Hauling ass next to him, trying to pass him. Be careful, Josh. Here comes Jake. Jake's in the CRF 70 from 2005. Hauling ass. Slow down, Jake. Okay, there goes Jeremy. Here comes Josh hauling ass on the little. Here comes Jeremy. First time Jeremy riding the bigger bike. Cool. There goes Jake. Here comes Josh. CRF 80, having fun, smiling. Here comes Jeremy. TLR 200 from 2006. What do you got to say for yourself, Jeremy?
Fun.
Fun? What do you think of this bike?
I get it.
Is it better than the other one?
No.
You like the little ones better?
Big and confusing.
But you know what? You get a little more used to it, you'll find out what this thing can do.
Okay, now can I go on that trail?
Yeah, I want you guys to practice on this for half an hour. Okay? I want you to get good. You can try hitting second if you want.
I would like to.
Second's one up. Watch out for Josh. He's trying to be a renegade. Comes Jake, slow and safe. There goes Josh. Hauling butt. There goes Jeremy, trying second. Josh killed it. Now he's gonna need to start it. There goes Jake. Everybody's having fun. Okay, I'm gonna park for a while and hang out. Okay, bye.